This is Dr. Lam, founder of drlam.com, and today's topic is about sleep series, the neurotransmitters. Now, neurotransmitter dysfunction is a common and a very prevalent reason why people have both sleep maintenance insomnia as well as sleep onset insomnia. Neurotransmitters include serotonin, melatonin, norepinephrine, etc. And they regulate a large part of our sleep. So natural sleep aids can include GABA, hydroxytryptophan, melatonin, and they are widely available. But at the same time, whether they are useful and whether they can be helpful varies from person to person. Melatonin, for example, is a very interesting compound because it is not dose dependent. So for sleep onset problem, you can try melatonin, and some people do well with 0.5 milligram. Some people need much, much more. For sleep maintenance insomnia, that is sleep maintenance insomnia, a slow release melatonin may be helpful. At the same time, you can use other compounds and other formulas that already has it inside, such as Adrenal Stay Asleep, as well as time-release FemPlex S. So many of these compounds, sleep aids, need to be balanced properly because neurotransmitter functions as well as sleep is intercorrelated. The gut is very much responsible for many of these neurotransmitter functions, and oftentimes symptoms of neurotransmitter imbalance include not only the inability to fall asleep, but also waking up in the middle of the night having some panic attacks as if the body is in the adrenaline rush, lightning sensation going down the legs, nightmares. These are all very, very prominent features of neurotransmitter dysregulation in the sleep cycle. The good news is that if you're able to balance the biological rhythm of the body and allow the neurotransmitters to basically self-rebalancing, then oftentimes the sleep becomes deeper and you wake up more refreshed. The use of sleep aids can be temporary, and it should be considered that way. Sleep medications are usually very strong, and once the sleep medications have started, then the body seems to get used to it pretty fast, and sleep aids loses effectiveness. So unless there's no choice, try to stay away from sleep medications as much as possible and use various ways, including natural compounds, as well as adrenal breathing to rebalance your neurotransmitters and allow the body to sleep. I hope you've enjoyed this video. For more information on this topic, head over to drlam.com, where I've written over 1,000 articles to help educate people. You can also call me at 626-571-1234 for more information on adrenal fatigue and how to navigate it. Finally, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.